Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and it's India motherfucking Simpson. So, you know what it is. You seen the title. It's a wig install. Oh, oh, hit that Dougie. Ah, ah, ah. Get it, get it. Hey, hey. So, y'all see me do a little dance. Hey, y'all. Hi. So, y'all see the ball cap is already on. I used the HD one, and since it's already on, I use a different wig, and it was a different wig that was installed. I'm just cleaning around my perimeter of my hairline, just so there's no extra tackiness or anything. Y'all, I was listening to I think I was listening to JT, okay, and she did her big one. This is the wig. I got a 24-inch body wave from Amazon. I really forgot the brand's name. I really like this hair. It's super soft and silky and shiny. And also, it just really eats. Like, it's super soft. It's easy to curl and everything. I really like it. So this is me just like trying the wig on and seeing if I like it. I'm doing a little bit of plucking. Um, I pluck when it's on my head and off my head so I can see how I like it. I'm not the best plucker. Um, I just kind of a little twerk, but yeah. So I'm putting it back on my head to see how I like it so far, and bitch, it's still thick. It's the fuck so thick. So I'm just going back in with it, just tweezing away. A little close up. I don't have no real technique of how I tweeze. Oh. This is when I was to Britney Spears. You know, you gotta have a little showtime. Go. Ah, ah, ah. I'm so goofy, y'all. But obviously I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling the hair and everything. Go. But back at it again with the back at it again. And like I was saying, there's no real process or technique of how I go. I just really go like just sporadically. I just make sure that I'm not staying in one section for too long. Oh, you was talking shit? Oh, boop, 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 boop. I didn't know that was gonna happen, y'all. Watch your back. That's all I can say is watch your back. Yeah. But again, going in, cleaning around my edges, make sure it's no makeup, no nothing on my edges so it can stick. Then I put some makeup on the lace because I don't bleach my knots. I'm actually want to learn how to bleach my knots. I just always put makeup on it, hoping that it does what it do. And since I'm not a professional or anything, it don't matter. I use Boho Active, y'all. I just started using this. My first wig I ever used it with, and it's the truth. Like, I used to think like, why my wigs don't stay on that long? Why is it so sticky around my edges? Like, no, it's the glue. This glue dry fast, and it just really holds and melts into the lace, into the skin. Like, I really love it. This is me making sure that it's fitting and it's on ear to ear. I put two thin layers and I just put it on dots, and as you can see right here, I'm kind of far away from my hairline because I have a thin hairline. It runs in the family, and I'm just not in the mood to snatch out any other hairs that might not be here for too long. So yeah, I just kind of spread it out, spread it as even as I can, as flat as I can as possible, taking my time because this is how the lace is going to eat and melt and sink into the wig. So you really just want to cater to it and make sure that you really just doing your thing. But y'all feeling the voiceover things? I kind of like it. But yeah, let it dry. Let it dry. Let it get as white and clear as possible. And you go in with layer number 2. If you want like a longer lasting wig, you'll want to do like 3 layers, and preferably one like on top of each other. But it's install time. Yay! So I'm putting it on, making sure that everything is hidden where I want it to hit. The ear tabs is hidden. Everything is placed right. Because once it sit on that glue, it's done. You're not going back. So I push it in with my hands, and then I go in with a um with a comb and I press it in more. And then I immediately attack it with a blow dryer using the cool effect, because I feel like cool gets it melted faster, because when you use hot, it keeps the wig glue like tacky and sticky, so it never really gets to dry. Go over that with some got to be, and then you're gonna end up starting to put your band on. So this is when I start putting my band on right now. And a trick with the band is fold it in half and then apply and then put it on. Don't put it on flat, because when you, I don't, for some reason, when you put it on like that, it just melts it better. This is so freaking cute. I got it from TJ Maxx for $19, and it gets so hot. It gets to like 460, and it got rainbow inside. It's so cute. But this is me starting to style it. I want a side part. Well, I'm doing this for a photo shoot, so I couldn't really say, but I had to do like a side part or whatever. I use this chic, like to keep my hair silky when I flat iron it. Use a little bit, please, like a little bit, because if you use like close to more than a little bit, your hair is gonna be so oily and so stringy, and you don't want that. So first, I go in with the hot comb, and I lay that bitch flat. I lay that whole flat, is because you want it to give scalp, like it needs to give scalp. So this is the only way it gives scalp. So first I go in using the perimeter of my head, and then I go around and I start flattering it. So I'm gonna just show you how I flat iron just a little bit, not too much, because this is not a flat ironing class. So yeah, I just go in, I start straightening my bundles, my little wig or whatever. Yeah, getting to it. Oh yeah, I'm starting to get excited. Yet, wait, it's eating. Pop your shit. Hi guys, I'm back after flattering it and styling it. It looks so good. It's wavy, it's silky, it's shiny, and it's still thick. Like, I like my stuff bone straight, but I don't like it where it's so bone straight to where it's like it looked thin. That's what I like about this wig. Like, it still wasn't thin looking after I flattered it. And then I got these cute ass clips, y'all, these bear clips from TJ Maxx for like $3. I had to, and because they done non-crease. But when you take off that band, it should pop off like that. It shouldn't be sticking onto the lace, because when it sticks onto the lace, that means you're going to have issues. You're going to have white glue coming through the lace, which isn't good. Okay, when you use this razor, you want to use a new one that's sharp, and I like to cut going down from the lace, because I feel like it just gets as close as possible to the most paste, like not paste, but like the most like laid down parts. And then you see that ashiness, yeah, you get the got to be, and you put on your finger, you just press it in there, and it takes that ashiness away, laying it down some more. And you see how it look? It's already eaten before it's done, y'all. Like, I just knew here, like, I wasn't gonna add no edges. I usually do baby hairs, but I was like, I'm not adding no baby hairs. It's my first time ever doing the no baby hair thing, and it eats down. Like, it just gives. And then after you leave the band on for like 10 minutes, again, I take it off and I put a little bit of makeup on the lace just to cover up any more whiteness it's given, to give that translucent, that giving scalp, very much scalp look. And yeah, I know y'all seen that little quick clip. And then this is what the girls be doing, like the hairstylist. So they get like your concealer and they put it into any part of the wig to make it look like, again, your scalp is coming through, to give that natural effect. You want to be looking natural. But yes, this is how it looks. It's all done. This is my wig install video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys learned something, like something, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Join the fucking family. And if you want more tutorials with me doing more interesting hairstyles, let me know, and I definitely will get back to you guys with it. Thank you guys so much. Look how it's fucking eating it up, y'all. Look how I'm eating it up. Like, it's growing out of my head. Like, it's Peruvian, baby. Bye-bye, y'all. Thank you.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months.